Welcome students. In this video we're going to look at even and odd functions using definite integrals. So when we look at definite integrals, we're going to look at something like this, and then we're going to start with an even function. So this is going to be an even function. So x squared is an even function. So we claim that this integral is going to be equal to 2 from 0 to 4 of x squared dx. Okay, and multiply times 2. So let's see if that's the case. So we compute this one, this integral here. So the antiderivative of x squared is going to be x cubed over 3, and we're going to go to negative 4 to 4. And here we're going to do 2 times x cubed going from 0 to 4. Alright, so now, x cubed here, if we do that calculation, that's going to equal to 4 cubed over 3, and then minus, but because we're going to do minus 4 cubed becomes negative, so this whole thing becomes positive 4 cubed over 3, and here becomes 2 times 4 cubed over 3. So here we have 2 times that, and then here we have 2 of, so this is equal to 2 times 4 cubed over 3, the same thing. So that claim is true, and that is equal to 128 over 3, and that's the final answer. So this is also equal to 128 over 3. That's the final answer. So whenever you have this negative and a positive of the same endpoint, same magnitude, same number, going, for example, here's 4, but you have a negative and a positive here, all you have to do is put a 2, multiply 2 times the middle between negative 4 and 4, or for example, if it is between negative 2 and 2, you have to put 0 to 2 times 2. So this is the case for even functions. So notice this is the case. So now let's look at an odd function and let's see what happens. So now we're gonna do an odd function. So let's see what happens. So we're gonna go negative 4 to 4 of x cubed dx. So I claim that this is 0. Let's see if that's the case. Alright, so taking the antiderivative of x cubed using the power rule, we get x to the fourth and going from negative 4 to 4. So this is equal to, notice, this becomes 4 to the 4th over 4, and then negative 4 to the 4th, the negative becomes positive, so this becomes minus 4 to the 4th over 4. So this is equal to 0. And that's the final answer. So indeed, this is 0. So whenever you have an odd function, you have you have this symmetry between positive and negative of the same endpoint, and you have an odd function, x cubed is odd, you go or any odd function, you're always gonna get 0. And that's the case, you can see here. So we talk about even and odd functions using definite integrals that have symmetry. Thank you very much, students.